Professional Advantage have decades of experience helping organizations achieve more with the use of business technologies that drive efficiency, solve problems, and fuel growth. Being easily able to visualize your Infor SunSystems data and being able to share it across the business using Microsoft Power BI can be a complex and difficult task. There are several challenges. Firstly, in order to build reports, you need a good understanding of Infor SunSystems table and database structure, which is extensive and complex. Secondly, how do you restrict any sensitive data? And can you ensure that reports only show data that is actually related to the user? Thirdly, how do you manage and controls to cater for summarization, month-end processing tasks, and incremental updates? We have done all the hard work for you. Our connector solves the problem of automating the data extraction from an Infor SunSystems database and translating it into a Microsoft Power BI data model, hence accelerating its adoption. This allows Power BI users to immediately access a predefined and understandable field structure, dropping data fields onto their reporting canvas without having to understand the core underlying Infor SunSystems schema. The system manages incremental updates of data and security. Security is a key concern, especially when it comes to protecting your financial data. As the largest companion software developer for Infor SunSystems with over 30 years of experience, we understand the needs of SunSystems users and include dataset security functionality as standard. Easily manageable datasets are converted for you into the Microsoft Power BI row-level security model in just a couple of clicks. Our connector provides you with robust security that ensures your accounts and data remains confidential, and it's only viewed by those report users that you intend it for. People frequently ask, how current is the data I'm looking at? And how can I be sure that the information I'm seeing is showing the most up-to-date transactions from the ledger? These are common problems in warehouse-based reporting. We have catered for this by using the Power BI incremental refresh feature and enhanced it through inclusion of additional unique key fields in the underlying data model. This allows new transactions to be brought into the schema without overwriting any of the existing data in the Power BI warehouse. As a result, you can have confidence that your reports always include the most recent data. Simplicity is key to data reporting. Simple data access, but also simple administration. Our connector brings these key features together in one central, web-based administration module. This allows you to control extraction from each SunSystems business unit, selecting which ledgers and dimensions to include, managing summarization, and applying security where it's needed. Administrators can amend and restructure the warehouse easily at any time. The Professional Advantage Power BI connector helps remove the need to have in-depth database level understanding of Infor SunSystems and allows you to build great visualizations. Our connector will save you weeks, if not months of time and effort out of the box. Get a single point of view with Power BI's ability to combine data from hundreds of data sources. Slice, dice, and transform data using built-in or custom visuals. Share your insights by choosing what and when to publish them. Unlock your Infor SunSystems data now with the Power BI connector from Professional Advantage. So let's talk.